Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Priska Ruth Margaret Purba. On this acquisition, I will present the result of my review of a journal entitled The Effect of Using Game on English Vocabulary Learning. This journal discusses how the use of game in the learning process can influence vocabulary mastery in English. Next, abstract explanation. Learning English vocabulary is difficult for many students. This article explains that using game can help make the learning process easier. Game make it easier for students to remember words, be more enthusiastic about learning, be more active in communicating, and feel happier while learning. In addition, games also help teachers create more meaningful and enjoyable learning situations. This article also provides examples and suggestions on how to use games to learn vocabulary in the classroom. Next is introduce. What is the topic? The topic is the use of education game to enhance English vocabulary learning for learners of English as a foreign language (EFL). What are the issues? 1. Difficulties in English learning. Vocabulary learning, Many students have difficulty memorizing and use English vocabulary due to boring traditional teaching methods. Example, memorizing word list. 2. Lack of motivation to learn. Monotone teaching method reduce student interest and motivation to learn language. And the last, lack of student interaction and engagement. Passive and non-communicative learning process makes students less active in use the target language. So, in introduction section, this section explains that learning English vocabulary is not easy because it requires effort to understand, remember, and use new words. Usually, vocabulary is taught as a list of words without context, so students forget quickly. However, learning tough game can make this process more fun and effective. Game helps students remember words more easily, encourage them to interact and communicate in English, and create a relaxed and no boring learning atmosphere. In addition, games also help teachers create meaningful learning activities that are in accordance with students. That's why students can learn vocabulary naturally and feel more confident. Next, literature review. What are the theories about? Benefit of using education game and rationale of using educational games. So in this section, the author explains various opinions and research results of experts which show that the use of game is very helpful in learning English vocabulary. Ria Chipor and Soba. Step that old methods such as memorizing word lists are boring for students. They emphasize that games can make the learning process more fun and help students remember vocabulary better. And the last we have Clara and Hadidi Tanjid conducted a study on children and found that those who learn vocabulary through digital games show better results compared to those who learning using conventional methods. They consider that game can attract children's attention and make them more motivated to learn. That is method. In the method section, the author used a qualitative descriptive approach to analyze the effect of using game on English vocabulary learning. Data were collected from various sources such as Profile Research, journal articles, and relevant literature. The data analysis process was carried out of three stages. First, data reduction. Selecting relevant information from the student that have been relieved. The second one is data presentation. Arranging process research systematically and in a structured manner. The last is data verification. Summarize the benefit and implication of the finding presented. This method allowed the author to identify general patterns regarding the benefit of game in language learning and to make recommendations based on exciting evidence. Next slide is result and discussion. What are the results of the article? One is positive impact of game on vocabulary learning. 2. Enhance student motivation and confidence. 3. Effectiveness across age group. 4. Comparison with traditional method. 5. Gender and game type effect. 6. Interactivity and attention. 7. Suggestion for implementation, and the last is future research recommendation. So in this section, discuss the results of various studies on the use of game in learning English vocabulary. The research showed that games are very helpful for students in learning new words. Several studies have shown that students who learn using games are more likely to remember vocabulary, are more enthusiastic, and feel more confident. Games also make learning more enjoyable and less boring. In addition, games encourage students to be active, work together, and dare to use English in real situations. Even digital games or video games have been proven to improve vocabulary skills. especially in children and teenagers. However, there is also an important note. The type of game must be appropriate to the age, language ability, and interests of the student. If it is not suitable, the result can be less than optimal. Overall, the game profit Overall, the game profit to be effective and useful in improving English vocabulary mastery. Next slide is conclusion. What is the conclusion of the research? First, educational games are effective tools for improving vocabulary learning in English language classroom. They help create meaningful and engaging contexts in which students can use the target language communicatively. Second, despite their proven benefit, games are still rarely used in classroom and often only for a limited time. The author advocates for greater and more systematic use of games to promote language learning. Games support student-centered learning and help foster important skills such as interaction, collaboration, motivation, and cognitive engagement. For effective learning, games should include opportunities for reflection, and teachers must ensure that the educational value take priority over the entertainment aspect. Okay, next slide is reference. This is the reference. And next, what do you think of the research? For the topic, in my opinion, the topic of the research is very good because the use of game has been proven to increase student motivation, engagement, and vocabulary retention. Game create a fun and contextual learning environment, encouraging students to use the language communicatively. For the language, I think this language used in this article is quite easy to understand for us as university students. And next part of the research checklist. Next is, do you recommend us to read the research? Yes, I will recommend you to read the article. Why? We highly recommend reading this article because it is very useful, especially for English teachers and learners. This article provides a lot of information and evidence that learning vocabulary through games can make the learning process easier, more fun, and more effective. By reading this article, we can understand how games can be used in the classroom to increase student motivation and ability to remember new words. This article can also be inspiration for teachers to create more interesting and meaningful learning activity. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you everyone for listening and goodbye.